Good evening, everyone. It is December the 27th, 2018. It is a quarter after 8, and I've got an update on earthquakes and Tropical Depression 35, Tropical Storm 35. All right, here we go. First of all, there was a 4.4 off the coast of Chiapas, Mexico at 11 miles in depth. USGS says, nope, you're wrong. It was a 4.3. There was a 5.0 off the shore of Russia at 6.2 miles in depth. That came from the GFZ. That's the Germany Earthquake Center in the USGS. There was a 4.3 New Zealand offshore at 17 miles in depth. That came from the New Zealand Earthquake Center. There was a 4.6 off the shore of Russia at 32 miles in depth. That came on the GFZ. That's the Germany Earthquake Center and the USGS. There was a 2.6 Central California at 2 miles in depth, a 2.8 Central California at 3 miles in depth, a 2.5 Sicily, Italy at 2 miles in depth. Now those were all on the EMSC. There was a 4.0 Turkey at 6.1 miles in depth. That was on the Turkey Earthquake Center. There was a 4.3 San Jose, Argentina at 86 miles in depth. USGS said they were wrong. It was a 4.0, but that came across on the Chile Earthquake Center and Earthquake Pro as a 4.3. There was a 2.2 Nevada at 4 miles in depth. There was a 4.2 off the coast of Mexico at 9.9 miles in depth. There was a 4.5, the Banda Sea at 116 miles in depth. There was a 2.6, Granite Falls, Washington at 10 miles in depth. And those all came from the USGS and the EMSC. There was a 2.1 Switzerland at 6 miles in depth. That came from the Switzerland Earthquake Center. There was a 3.0 Greece. That came from the Greece Earthquake Center. There was a 4.5 Chile, Argentine border region at 158 miles in depth. That came from the GUG, that's the Chile Earthquake Center, and the USGS. There was a 4.0 Guerrero, Mexico at 3.1 miles in depth. Just before I started this, these three came through just bing, bing, bing. There was a 2.1 Tennessee at 4.1 miles in depth, a 4.4 off the shore of El Salvador at 39 miles in depth, and a 4.1 Mexico at 16 miles in depth. And those were all on the EMSC and the USGS. All right, so let's go ahead to Tropical Depression 35. And I'm saying Tropical Storm 2 because it's turning into that quickly. There's another earthquake. Let's see what we got. It says, I can't, it's a 5.4. If I leave, I'll do another report on that one when I'm done with this one. I can't read where it's from. Tropical Depression 35 right now is moving west, northwest at 8, max of 30, gusting to 40. Tomorrow it's going to be moving west at 15, max of 30, gusting to 40. These are tropical depressions at this time. On the 29th, they got it moving west at 15, max of 35, gusting to 45, increasing in speed, and making sure at Lorette, Lorente, at max wind of 35, gusting to 45. On the 29th, they've got it moving west at 10, max of 40, gusting to 50, making its way across the Philippines, and is now a tropical storm. On the 30th, they've got it moving west-southwest now at 10, max of 40, gusting to 50. On the 31st, this is a tropical storm now, okay? There's another earthquake. Hang on, guys. On the 31st, they've got it moving southwest at 10, a max of 45, gusting to 60. January 1st, they've got it moving southwest at 10, max of 50, gusting to 65. Now, and heading, it's in South China Sea, heading for Malaysia. Question mark. Okay? Like I said, current, water temperature, wind, everything determines which way this thing's going to go. I'm going to go ahead and let you go at this point, and I am going to go check the earthquakes because they're going off still. And you guys have yourself a great evening. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you're seeing on this channel with the earthquakes, the cyclones, the hurricanes, the depressions, and the weather reports, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. God bless. Be safe. 2 thumbs up for you guys. You are so awesome. Have a great evening. I'll be back shortly with whatever earthquakes have been popping up here.